It is a sign of quality when something is handcrafted. Whether in production or in everyday life, our hands are our most valuable tools. We encounter ergonomics everywhere we touch something. The stress to which our hands are exposed is often underestimated. Therefore, we need to protect our hands from overstrain, and we need to protect workers' health. In manufacturing and production, this ensures consistently high quality and improves precision. In order to accomplish this, the load must be measurable. We are able to measure pressure distribution across the hand. The pliance glove system is used worldwide and is primarily made for use of manufacturing and production tools. It monitors pressure distribution during activities and gives immediate feedback. It also provides critical data to modify and improve working procedures and technique, or to redesign tools. The most important fact about Novell's pliance glove is its outstanding sensor technology, combined with an analysis software that is comprehensive and crafted with precision. Just like all Novell systems, the pliance glove system is based on calibrated, accurate and reliable capacitive sensors, which allow high-quality measurements. These features, in combination with a high sensor resolution, are necessary to detect even the smallest pressure peaks. In order to meet these criteria, the highest standards of quality are used. The individual sensor elements are elastic and arranged in a matrix which conforms well to three-dimensional shapes. For more information, visit novell.de, and if you're passionate about pressure distribution, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.